Alright, so this is how to add a watermark to your video, the simplest method, okay, so that you can watermark any video of yours, okay, so that another people can use it. So I'll be using ucode to achieve this. This is ucode over here, okay, so I'll click on it, then I'll click on the plus icon here, then I'll click on new project. This is the video I want to watermark, then you click on the arrow. So this is the video here. I want to watermark this video. So you can do that. You can watermark a video with your logo, your brand logo, or the name of the brand. Okay, so I want to use my name to watermark this. So I'll come to this text. You'll come to this text here because I want to use my name. Okay, so I'll type in my name, any name I want to use, miracle updates. Okay, so this is my name. I'll click on the check mark, then I'll click on this arrow here to extend it to the end of the video. Okay, is now extend to the end of the video. Can you see it? Okay, so I want to watermark this name to this video, so I'll drag it, I'll increase it. So I want it to be placed at this down. Yeah, so this is okay. This is okay. Let's take it up a bit. Yeah, I love this. So this is the place I want to place it. Then after doing this, come at these color options over here. Okay, tap on the color, then tap on this place, tap on it, then come to opacity, decrease it, move it backward. Can you see what I'm doing? Move it till the thing blend with the video. Let's leave it at 10. All right, so can you see it? You can still reduce it a little bit. Okay, let's leave it at 7. So can you see it? The video is now watermark. Can you see? Your name is still displaying. So this is the thing you should be checking out whenever you are watermarking any video. If the background of the video is white, use a black color. Okay, if the background is red, use the opposite color. Okay, that will make it to pop well on the video. So I'll come at this color here, then the background is yellow and I use yellow color for the text. I'll change it to black, or let's leave it at red. Yes, red is better. Then I'll come to border. Let me check. Yes, white border is okay, or let me still check another dark. Okay, let me use white. So can you see it? So the watermark should not show. If you show too much, it will interrupt the visual of the video. Okay, so this is okay. We can increase it a bit. Let's go and increase it to 10. Let's leave it at that 10. Okay, 10. Yeah, 10 is perfect. Okay, so this is it. This video is now with my name watermark. Okay, so if you found value from this video, don't forget to like and share. Okay, also subscribe for more content tips like this.